Hi, this is Ruben from Crown Themes, and in this short video I want to explore some unique features of our Kingdom theme and give you some tips on how to achieve a really strong layout and make use of the awesome features that we've included in our theme. First, we will look at the collection grid, talk about the unique product badges, then we'll move into the product page, and at the end I'll give you a few tips on regular pages. So let's get started. From version 2 and high, we've introduced some cool features that not only spice the product grid a bit, but also highlight unique features about your products directly in the grid. I'm talking about these little badges, which you can see in our collection page with some text and an extra icon, which are a nice way of catching your customers' attention and make them want to see more about what's going on here. So for making this to work, we'll have to use metafields. You can see that here is a blank theme. I don't have this feature working, so first we need to go to the settings, choose metafields, and inside products we will add two definitions that our theme will use for this feature. In the name we can write something like a unique feature title, let's say, and here I need to make sure that I follow the documentation, which says that the namespace should be unique underscore feature dot title. Okay, here I can write a description to remind me what's this about, like a short title for unique feature in product grid, and the type for the unique features title should be single line of text. Where is it? Okay, text single line. Okay, I can save it. Then I'll go on to the next definition. This I will call unique product icon or unique feature icon. Again, it needs to be called unique feature dot icon. This is the way in which the team will recognize these unique features and make them work. As a description, I may want to add like 48 on 48 pixels PNG image, just to remind yourself what's with this field and what you have to insert here. I will choose the file type, only accept images. This is good. Save it. Now, when I go to any product, let's say the first one, if I go to the bottom of the page, you will see the metafields here. So the metafields that I already have, it's the unique feature icon and unique feature title. Let's start with the title. I will write here great packaging. Okay. And when I save it and go here and refresh the page, as you can see, the title appears here. So now I have this first item with a unique feature at the top. No other product has it. So this is how you would also want to make some products stand out from the other. Make sure that you write a really short title here, because on slower devices or on different thumbnails that will be smaller, this will truncate, so there's no use in writing a really big title here. So in this way you can add product badges, like unique product badges for any product in the grid. If you want to also add the icons, we go back and work with the unique icon field. I will insert an image, an icon that I have ready. Save. And when I refresh this, you can see the icon appears here. So in this way, you can add unique icons to any product that you wish. Let's go try another product. Okay, the second one. Let's go to the bottom and say strong wind. You can see that it appeared here. So this is the way that you add unique product badges that will show up only in the collection grid and the featured collection sections wherever you add them. These little icons will not show up in the product slider or product recommendation, so this is a note that you may want to remember. Now let's move on to the product pages and see how we can make some really unique layouts as you can see in our online demos. For this, I will go to the alternate product template. This is a template that we've already filled with some data and other sections for you to get an idea or a starting point. Let's talk about these two sections here. These are static blocks actually in the product information, about which I need to say a few things first. So in the product information we have quite a few blocks. First we have the product header, which is this product header in the right, which you can move if you would want this. But then on mobile, the product header will appear always at the top, because this is how we've made our themes layout, which is really nice, because when you open the theme on the mobile device, when somebody opens your store, he will see the title and the price, not the gallery, which if huge will take up a lot of space. So this is really great. But let's go back in the desktop. So we have the product header, in which you can choose to show various information or not. Then we have the variant picker, buy buttons, pickup availability, sharing options, and you can also have a custom liquid or collapsible tabs. Actually, collapsible tabs will appear on the right side, and this is all the blocks. These are all the blocks that will appear on the right side. On the left side we have description, which will always stay on the left side, and on mobile devices will go below everything that you've put for the left side. Key product features, which I will talk about in a bit, and additional product images. And here you can add also custom liquid blocks. These blocks will appear on the left side. So this is how we've made the product page with this separation between left side blocks and right side blocks. Now, this being said, let's go back to the key product features. So this is an area where you can add up to 6 unique features that you want to showcase for your visitors. In this area you can select a custom image that you may want. Again, this area is for custom thumbnails. We need 76 square PNG files for this to properly work. But you can upload any size, and the theme will do the size adjustment. Let's keep just 2 for now. So these are unique features that you want to showcase. Up to 6 you can do. Other than this, you can also add up to 6 additional product images. Again, this should be images for different parts of your product, or usage features, or whatever you feel that should be here. Again, this is an area where you can add up to 6 such images in a slider. If you want to add more, we really encourage you to use other sections, such as the gallery section that you can use, or even add the same images with text slider section at the bottom of the product page, because this is how we've actually intended the theme to be. This place is only for a few images, because if you add too much content here, so you can add more content here as you desire, as many images as you want to. Now, because this is an area that you will definitely want to use for unique products, or have unique content here for each product, this is something that you can do with custom metafields, as I will show you right now. So let's say that I'm saving this, and I want to have unique features here for unique products. For this, I will have to first create those metafields. So I'm going to create a unique metafields for this purpose. For the icons, I will write title, let's say key product feature 1 icon. Okay, yeah, this is a file, an image. Okay, new definition, key product 1 title. This is a single line text, and key product 1 content. This should be a multi-line text field. Okay, I will do the same for another field. As you can see, I created the definitions for everything. Now I also want to create some definitions for the additional product images. So I will say extra product image 1 title, extra product image 1 image, and I will stop here. I will not make another definition for content, just to speed things up. Okay, I've created my definitions. Now I have to go back to the customizer, refresh it, and in these areas where I wrote my static content, instead of static content, I will connect these with dynamic sources, which is the metafields. So here in the title, I'm deleting the static title, and I'm hitting the insert dynamic source button, and I will connect it to what I did for this. So this will be key product feature 1 title. I'm connecting it with this. I'm removing this image and connecting it with a dynamic source instead. This will be the key product feature 1 icon, and instead of this text, I will again connect a dynamic source, and this will be key product feature 1 content. Okay, I'll do the same for this feature, and I'm done. Now I could do the same for the key product features title, but for now I'm just deleting it, because as you can see, now nothing appears here, because there are no definitions inside the product, the actual product. So I will delete this because I don't want anything to appear if there isn't any content. I'm hitting save, and now I'm going to the product. So let's go to the reflective, or not necessarily, let's edit the product that we've previously edited. So you will see here that you have a lot of meta fields. You may want to add descriptions to each so that you know what does, but this is your part of organizing things. So let's see. Key product feature 1 title. Okay, let's say made from best cotton. Key product feature 1 icon. I'm adding this icon. Key product feature 1 content. Okay, so this product is made from the finest materials on the planet. If I'm hitting save and going to see the product, okay, it doesn't work. Why? Oh, of course, here I edited the alternate template and my product is using the regular template, so I need to switch the products template as well. Now if I'm saving and trying to refresh a bit, okay, after a few refreshes it appeared properly. So you can see that the dynamic content is here, just one. If I go to a different product, the content is not here. If I want to add a unique custom content here, I'll have to edit this product as well. So I'll go to the bottom of this as well and start from scratch. So key product 1 icon, I'll put this, a big hand, buying this will help a lot of people in the world. Okay, saving it, doing some refreshes, and the dynamic content appears here. So as you can see, we have different types of content in different types of pages. Now if I do the same thing for the next block, which is the additional product images, again I'm deleting the title, I'm connecting the dynamic sources. This I call extra product image 1 image, this extra product 1 image title. I'm removing this now, doing the same for the next images. You can see the content disappeared as predicted. Now if I refresh this, it's gone from here as well. Now let's add it. So it was called extra product image 1 title, image 1, image 2. I'm saving it, I'm trying to preview, and the images appear here. This is a great way of adding unique content which you can do for each product. I won't continue, but you get the idea. And the same thing that you are doing for these blocks, which by the way can be moved from a place to another, but of course now we're not seeing this. Yeah, so you can have image first, then the icons, and you can even change the descriptions place. So the same thing you can do with other sections. So if you want more unique content on unique pages, you can definitely connect all the sections in the theme with unique content. And this type of unique content, dynamic content, will appear only if there is content. So if you don't have any extra content added through metafields, the section will not appear, which is great. So this is it with product pages. From this point you can really start and edit as you wish, and really the only limit to what you can do is your own imagination. At the end, I want to also tackle the pages just a bit. So as you see, we have a story page added with some sections that you can use. A note on the main page. So this is the main page, which has two different settings on it. First one, you have the reduced margin between all sections. Now in our theme we have large margins because especially on pages like product page or home page, we need these these margins to have a lot of white space because we have parallax, we have a lot of unique sections that need a lot of space. But in such pages where you have a lot of text content, especially in regular pages, you would want to have this checked. It's checked automatically in order to reduce the margin between all the sections that you will put. Also, we have here an option to disable button margin for this section. So this is useful when the section is only a title. So for this example, let's go to the gallery page. So here you can see the gallery and I don't have any kind of content. So if I don't have this checked, you will see that there is a bigger gap here. If you check it, the main content, which you can obviously remove, will act only as a holder for the page's title. So this is the note that I wanted to show you when using regular pages and extra content. So this is it. We can't wait to see what you all do with our theme. Good luck with everything, and thanks for being our customer.